Bravery is not the quality of the body, it is of the soul. This is written by Mr. M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is the father of the nation. So, means bravery is the state of having or showing mental or moral strength to face danger, fear, or difficulty. It is the quality of brain, mind, and soul, not body. You can see a bodybuilder sometimes never face the situation where he have to fight because his body is strong, but he has no bravery, is not courage to face. The mental status was not there. So bravery is not a quality of the body, it is of the soul. This is the thought of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, already written. Now, his name was Freddy Nonsangeech. He lived in Meghalaya when he was little. When he was little, the doctors said that he was suffering from a disease called epilepsy. Children, the name of the epilepsy disease is a central nerve system disorder in which brain activity becomes abnormal, causing seizures of period of unusual behavior and sensational. Children, the meaning of this disease is the person is not same state like us, like normal people. He was slow learner, slow reader, slow speaker, so they can't behave or act like us. So children, here is the story of Freddy Nonsangeech. You can see in the picture, I can show you. He lived in Meghalaya. He lived in Meghalaya. The Meghalaya is a state of India located in the northern eastern part of the children. Meghalaya is the state of northeast part of our India. It is bounded with Assam in one side and another side with Bangladesh. Okay, so this is the story. What happened? When he was little, the doctor said that he was suffering from a disease called epilepsy. But his poor health did not make him weak or cowardly. He dealt with his situation with great courage. One day, when Freddy was 9 years old, he was passing by a river when he heard the cries of a woman. He saw a woman crying because her child was drowning in the river. You know, children, the meaning of drowning is to dip, to fall down deep in the river and can't inhale and die. So the Freddy saw, you can see in the picture also, Freddy saw that there was a boy who was drowning in the river. He was dying. Freddy was not his abnormal kid. He was not understand, but he understand that now I have to help the person, the boy, because he was a brave boy. He was too deep in the water. The boy who was drowning, you can see in the picture, he was drowning. He was very deep in the water. There seemed to be no hope. There seemed to be no hope. Freddy did not stop to think twice and jumped into the river. See the braveness of an abnormal epilepsy disease boy, that he not think about his own life and he jumped in the river, deep in the water. So the first time he could not pull the child out, he came up gasping for breath himself. It was at the second try that Freddy succeeded in saving the child. The mother of the child thought he was an angel. The mother of the child thought he was an angel. So the mother thought he was just an amazing person. What he done? First time he can't catch the boy. So Freddy again jumped in the second time. He again jumped in the river. He go deep and he saved He catch the boy, and Freddy, the name of the brave boy was Freddy. He catch the boy out and he hold the boy out from the water. So for this act, Freddy received the National Bravery Award from the government of India in January 2011. 2011, Freddy Nonsense. You can see here written the name. If you want to write this, you can write Freddy Nonsense, and he received a National Bravery Award from the government of India in the year 2011. There were 22 other children beside him who were similarly awarded for their bravery that year. I saw you children, see 21 students are there. Maybe some are not present, but they are 2011's Bravery Award winners. They all saved life of one or many person. Because of that reason, they got the prize. They got the prize of the Bravery Award. Now, children, what we understand? No, you have not. The moral we got from this story? Courage makes us face dangers without fear. If we are brave, we will not afraid. हम कभी डरेंगे नहीं. We never afraid. Sometimes we afraid from the cockroaches and other insects. Don't afraid, beta, because they are also creature like us. So there is no fear. Yes, you have to fear when there is situation. If you fear, then you can't react. You can't give a brave decision. You can't be courageous. So don't fear in any situation. Take a good decision. If your elders are there, ask them. If your elders are not there, then you only do one thing. You just to stop the dangerous situation. The name of the boy is, I will show you, the name of the boy is Freddy Nonsense. That also I will give. First, read the moral. Courage give us the strength to deal with difficult situation. Courageous people are not put off by any obstacle. You can see the story again. Here the name of the boy written, Freddy Nonsense. He is lived in the Meghalaya. Freddy Nonsense. No need to write the name. No need to write anything. Cowardly people are always ready to put their lives at risk. Cowardly. The meaning of cowardly is darpok. You will find out the meaning of dictionary also. Cowardly people are always ready to put their lives at risk. Yes or no, write in chat box. Yes or no, write in chat box. Coward means darpok, who has no courage to do any brave act. So that people can give their life for anyone? No. True, all are writing. Courage makes one take risks. Courage makes one takes risks. Courage means sahas, bravery, himmat. So courage make one take risks. If you are courageous, you have the ability to take risks in life, in situations, different situations. Yes or no? अगर आपके पास करेज होगा तभी तो आप कोई रिस्क ले सकोगे लाइफ में, राइट? तो द आंसर इज यस. Do not understand English? Okay, I'm again repeating. Courage makes one take risks. Courage means हिम्मत, जो हमें साहस देता है रिस्क लेने का. कोई भी रिस्क लेके, कोई भी means you can't understand. You are good in dancing. Okay, suppose you are good in dancing. So, you can't do a flip act by your body. So you try, you take risks to do this, and the end you get success. So you are courageous. आप पे courage है. That's only you can take that risk to do flip in the dance form. So it is yes. If you are courageous, then only you can take risks. Now number 3. Courageous people are selfish. Is there it true? Yes or no? Courageous people are selfish? Write in chat box. Courageous means हिम्मत. हिम्मती जो लोग होते हैं वो selfish होते हैं? No, they are not selfish, beta. They are not selfish. Yeah, Dars Patel written no. Good, right answer. जो हिम्मत वाले होते हैं, courageous people. You read again, beta. Read again. Courageous people are selfish. No, they are not. They helped because the boy Freddy was courageous, so without any selfishness, selflessly he jumped on the river to save another person's life. So he was selfless, not selfish. So courageous people are selfish? No. Now fourth number, cowardly people cannot raise their voice against wrongs. Cowardly people cannot raise their voice against wrongs. Yes. Okay. Now next. Move to next. Okay. Okay. Few questions. You will write again in one word in the chat box. Why did Freddy need courage in his own day-to-day life?
Angel.
Beta, don't speak right. Why Freddy need courage in day-to-day life? Every day, Freddy need courage. Why? Why you can say? Why Freddy need courage in everyday life? Because he was epilepsia. उसे एक बीमारी थी. He was suffering from epilepsy. उसके लिए उसे हर रोज हिम्मत की जरूरत थी लाइफ जीने के लिए. Right? Right, बेटा? Okay. Now second, what happens when Freddy was passing by the river? What happened?
Drawing the river.
Don't speak. You write, beta. I'll read. He was angel. Yes, he was angel. You are right. What happened when Freddy was passing by the river? When Freddy was passing by the river, what happened? Write in chat box. I am waiting. No problem. Yes, one boy was drowning in the river. Right answer. What was it easy to save the child? बहुत easy था उसको save करना? No, it was not easy. Yeah, right. You are writing right. What did the child's mother think of Freddy? What is the child's mother think of Freddy? She think he was an angel. Yeah, right answer. Very true. Now, children, the moral. You write the words in your notebook. These words you will write in your notebook and you will find out meaning from the dictionary. And I will tell you the moral of this story. When Freddy jumped into the river, he knew he was putting his own life at risk. A cowardly person would have lost heart at this thought. But Freddy was not cowardly. He was a person of immense courage. His courage helped him take the risk to save the child. Courage gives us strength of mind and purpose. It also makes us selfless. If we have courage, we can think of facing any problem. We need courage on many occasions in life. We need courage to be honest and true. We need courage to raise our voice against wrongs. We also need courage to deal with pain and sorrow. Now, children, this is the moral of the story, what I told you. Now you write few words in your notebook, cowardly, and you will find out meanings from the dictionary. I will not tell you. You will find out. This is the homework of this.